8:11 p.m., the shadow figure revealed. Lily, you will regret beating me. A small price for what's mine. They won't see it coming. Great practice today. I feel ready for the championship.
I need help! Somebody make the way! My in-game gun! It's so such I cannot move it!
Wowee! What happened? Are you okay?
I slipped in my ankle leg though.
Hold on to me, Lily. I have got you. Do not put your foot down.
The ambulance is coming. 5 minutes. Hold on, Lily.
It hurts so much, Ethan.
I'm right here, Lily. You're safe now.
Hang in there, Lily. We're almost inside.
It hurts, Ethan.
I know. I'm right here with you.
I am sorry, Lily. Your ankle is fractured. A small break in the bone.
Fractured? No, please no.
This is the fracture. Here. You need a cast for 4 weeks. I am sorry. No swimming for at least 1 month.
4 weeks? But the championship is in 3 weeks. My dream is over. Everything I work for.
No, Lily. Your dream is not over. This is just a delay.
Thank you.
Crutches. I am a swimmer and now I need crutches.
One step at a time, Lily. I am right here.
Everything hurts, Ethan, my ankle and my heart.
All those medals, all that training, for nothing. Maybe I should just give up swimming. Forever.
That should be me in that pool right now. Lily, I have been thinking about something.
Why was there oil on the floor, near the swimming lockers?
I do not know. I never thought about it.
Cooking oil does not appear on a changing room floor by itself.
You think somebody put it there? On purpose?
Yes. I think somebody wanted you to fall, Lily.
But who would do that? Why?
I am going to the swimming center. They have cameras. CCTV.
Ethan, be careful, please.
Excuse me, sir. I need to ask about the CCTV cameras.
Sure, son. What is this about?
My friend Lily had an accident here last week. She slipped on oil.
I remember that. Terrible thing. You think it was not an accident?
Can I please see the camera footage from that night?
Let me check. What date and time? Here. This is the changing room hallway camera. That night.
Wait, I know that person. That is Pip. Pip Collins. She did it! Pip poured oil on the floor. She did this to Lily.
Oh my God! That is sabotage! This is criminal! I am recording this. This is proof. Lily needs to see this. Lily, I found the truth. Pip did this to you.
Pip? Pip did this to me? She put oil on the floor. Yes, I have the proof. Everything is on video. She tried to destroy my dream, but I will not let her win. That is the Lily I know. So what do we do? I'm going to recover, train harder than ever, and beat her.
And I will be with you, every single step.